Hi, I'm Mark Helgeson. I'm one of the plenary speakers for the NeuroELT in the Philippines conferences in January. We'll be in Manila at Philippine Normal University January 22nd through 24th, and a week later in Baguio, January 30th through February 1st. And in the conference, we'll be looking at neuroscience and brain science and what it, but also what it has to say to us as English language teachers. And what do we do in the classroom that we've learned from neuroscience? Let me give you an example. We know that the more modalities, the more senses we use in teaching, the better students learn. For example, when students get visual input, for example, a visual PowerPoint, as well as auditory, the lecture part, and if they're physically active, haptic, tactile kinesthetic input, they have greater recall. Their memory works better because different parts of the brain are being used. We also know that groups that get multisensory input are 50 to 75% more creative at problem solving. So that's a reason to teach across the senses. It was interesting in one study, students who only had auditory input, think your standard lecture, 72 hours later remembered about 10%. Those who had visual input, a visual PowerPoint, remembered about 35%. But those who had multisensory, visual and auditory together, remembered about 65%, more than 6 times as much as that first group. Think about that next time you hear someone just lecturing to their students. And think about what you can do to make your classes more multisensory. And I hope to see you at the NeuroELT in the Philippines conferences.